Okay, today is September the 2nd of 2012 and we are welding the cowl finally. We put it together, we hammered it down and massaged it everywhere. We put a couple of squaring bolts there. They will come out, and we use the braces of the motor at the engine compartment to line everything up, and it's good. We got about 8 plugs done, and we're continuing to do all the others. Here's Alanis, our welder. Okay. Okay, we are using a small Job Smart welder, flux core with .30 diameter wire. It's $100 at Tractor Supply. And it seems to be working good. Finally, we finally learned how to do it right. We are doing cross welding, so we start here, let it cool down, and go to that side, and then we come up here, do a weld, and do another one here, come to the center, and so on until we get all 80-something plugs. Anti-spatter compound. It helps a little bit because we don't have gas shielding, so we only have flux core, so we have to use that anti-spatter shield. I changed from .35 to .30 diameter core, and it seems to be working a lot better. It's either that it's working better because it's a smaller diameter, or Alanis is a better welder than Daddy. So let's do another weld there. It's working out fine. It's looking really good. Let's look at it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful weld. Clean. It's looking really good. So we're doing cross welding to allow for cooling, so that we don't warp our metal, which seems to be cold to the touch. And so far we have all 4 corners. Now we're gonna get the center here and here, and it's solid. We're using the